Want to work faster in Excel? Here are 5 everyday tips that will make your spreadsheets look professional and save you tons of time. Let's jump in. Number 1 is sum function. If you need to total a column quickly, click exactly where you want the total to appear. Head over to the top right of your menu bar and click the AutoSum icon. Excel automatically selects your numbers or you can customize. Then just hit enter. Here's your total. Number 2 is linking. To bring a figure from a supporting document into your main worksheet, never type it manually. Just press the equal key in your main sheet. Click over to your supporting document and select the amount. Then just hit enter. Next one is symbols. You always need symbols when you work in Excel. Let's say if you need a tick mark or a special icon for your assumptions, go to the Insert tab and look for the symbol icon on the far right. Pick the one you need, click Insert, and it adds that professional touch to your notes. Next one is clean dash for 0. To turn a 0 into a clean dash, click on the cell, then go to the top menu and click the comma icon. It instantly turns those messy 0 into professional dashes. If you want to add this for this entire row, just drag it. That's all about dash. Last one is negative numbers. In professional reports, we often show negatives in brackets rather than using a minus sign. What you want to do is right click on your cell and select Format Cells. Go to the Custom, select the format that uses brackets. If you don't want the numbers to turn red, just delete the red text from this code. Then you need to add brackets. Now your negatives look clean and professional. Thanks for watching.